In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell quotes on Etsy desktop. If you create motivational sayings, funny one-liners, or elegant typography art, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn those designs into a polished Etsy listing on your computer. Start by opening your shop manager and heading to the listings area. This is your workspace for everything you sell. From here, choose Add a Listing to begin a brand new product. You'll land on the editor with sections to fill out, and we'll go from top to bottom to keep things simple. Begin with your photos and video. Upload clear, high-resolution images or mock-ups that show how your quote will look in real life, framed on a wall, on a desktop, or styled on a canvas. Lead with your strongest photo since it becomes your thumbnail in search. If you have a short video showing detail or scale, add it for an engagement boost. Next, complete your item details. Pick the most accurate category so Etsy knows where to place your listing in search, and craft a clear, keyword-forward title that states the quote's style and format. Use the description field to explain what buyers receive, how they'll use it, and any sizing or printing notes. If the product is digital, make that clear here, so expectations are set. Move into item options to define variations a buyer can choose, such as size ratios, background color, or file format, so they can pick what suits their space. Then fill out attributes like orientation, subject, room, and occasion. These structured details help Etsy match your listing to the right shoppers and improve discoverability. Set your price and inventory. Choose a fair price based on your time, quality, and market trends, and add quantity or SKUs if you track versions. You can also decide whether the listing renews automatically. When everything looks good, use Preview to check images, cropping, and text. If you want to revisit later, save as draft. If you're ready to go live, select Publish, and your quote is officially for sale on Etsy.